Hello, everyone, and welcome back. So, today we're setting up your first automation on Rival. But here's the thing, automations might not always work the first time you expect them to. So, I'm also going to walk you through how to figure out why and how to fix it fast. And I'm going to be providing examples of automation that's already been made. And I grabbed an agent off the marketplace called Jarvis. So, let me show you what it can do. The cool part is that Jarvis isn't just a one-trick agent, it's an orchestrator, meaning it doesn't just do a single thing, it can chain a bunch of smaller tools together to deliver a full outcome. So think of it like a chief of staff. You don't hand them a checklist, you tell them the result that you want and they line up the moves themselves. So instead of guessing, I just asked it straight up, what can you do? And it came back with a ritual called Morning Intelligence Briefing. And it scans my inbox, my calendar, my flagged threads to surface my daily priorities before my first meeting. And a quick term for you, a ritual is just a save automation. It's a workflow that runs on a schedule or a trigger instead of you doing it by hand every time. If I want to see more of the automation that Jarvis is capable of, I just go into the agent settings in the top right, and then I press the rituals tab on the left. And as you can see, Jarvis came with a loaded library of these. Actionable inbox sweep, inbox zero sprint, meeting cost audit, the war room, you have tons of options. Now here's what makes any of these actually work, connectors. A connector is a bridge between your agent and an outside app, like Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive. And this matters because every ritual is built off the connectors and the tools that the agent has access to. So Jarvis can only build rituals around the apps that it can actually reach. Now, looking at the morning intelligence briefing ritual, it calls the Gmail connector to list my inbox, the calendar connector to pull my events, then Gmail again to grab my starred threads. There's 3 steps and 2 connectors, and mine are all connected and good to go, so Jarvis has everything it needs to automate tasks. So I've just prompted Jarvis to send me an example of his morning intelligence briefing ritual. So if we go to my email and check that, he sends me everything that his morning intelligence briefing ritual is capable of. This includes today's calendar priority, email task list, and team status for today. Now, based on this ritual settings, this will occur every day at 8 a.m. before my first meetings, but you can always change that and set it to whatever time you want. If a ritual doesn't run, there are basically 2 things to check first, and the first are the connectors. If a connector got disconnected or expired, the ritual has nowhere to go, and you'd see a banner up top telling you which ones aren't connected. And number 2 is the schedule. You want to make sure whatever rituals you want in your agent occur at a specific time when you want them to act. And if they have the wrong time, they will act when you don't want them to. Now, another cool thing about automation inside of agents is if you don't want any of these rituals to occur, you can always just go ahead and delete them. So that's how you can set up your first automation and how to fix it when it won't run. Go ahead and try experimenting with rituals or creating your own rituals in your agents to start automating. Rival allows anyone to start automating their time-consuming tasks, and it's something that other models are not capable of. Rituals will save you hours and hours every single week. And as always, if you miss anything, go check out the rest of our videos and we'll see you guys in the next one.